Honda CB models have always been great base bikes for modifications into cafe racers and other forms of customizations. In September of 2020, Honda launched the new CB 350 with a new engine, new designs, and new alloy wheels. The completely new design, contemporary-style bike, stands out among other classic-style bikes. The bike is currently built in India and is mainly targeting the Asian market. There have been discussions that Honda also will introduce the bike into other world markets including the US at a later date. The first idea was to use a 2022 spec Honda CB 350 RS as a base bike and build it into a classic-style coffee racer. But the yellow and black paint scheme triggered the idea to modify it first into a street tracker. We will post a second video showcasing the coffee racer design concept later. Let's get started with the design ideas and modification to turn the Honda CB 350 RS into a street tracker. First, we remove the original mirrors, which could be replaced later with handlebar clip-in mirrors. Next, we remove the front license plate holder. Now we remove the original rear fender, rear turn signals, and the rear license plate holder. We also remove for now, the front turn signals and the side reflectors on the lower fork. We now remove the original headlight and the fork gaiters. In the next step we remove the chrome exhaust cover. The original tires are getting replaced with Bridgestone Batlax RS11 Racing Street tires. Next, we black out the side engine covers as well as the top of the rear springs. The rear black springs are getting replaced with yellow ones, to match the yellow of the rest of the bike. In the next step we modify and shorten the front fender which also gets a yellow design stripe on top. Now we fit an aftermarket custom engine belly pan spoiler and match the black and yellow paint scheme from the fuel tank. Next, we fit a dirt track style headlight cover which also holds integrated LED headlights instead of the original round headlight. We use the original side covers and update the looks of it a little with integrated air holes and an added model badge. In the next step we modify the original rear fender to a shorter version, and we reinstall the front and rear turn signals. The next step will need a lot of customization, building a custom-made passenger seat cover, which runs along the original seat all the way to the fuel tank. The next step is probably the most expensive one of all the modifications, replacing the original wheels with custom-made black spoked wheels. This concludes today's design ideas and modifications of a 2022 spec Honda CB 350 RS into a custom street tracker. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.